To start your coaching business part 2. Today we're going to go ahead and talk about actually creating your high ticket offer. Guys, there's 4 components that you need to understand in order to be able to create your high ticket offer, or just create an offer just in general that actually sells. We want to go ahead and create an offer that is so irresistible that people feel stupid saying no to. If you don't have this, it's going to be very difficult for you to actually start getting clients for your business, because your offer is literally everything in your business. You need to be able to go ahead and create an offer that is so good that people are just like, oh my gosh, I want it, I need it, and I want it now. So how do we actually make this happen? Well, there's different many ways on how we can go ahead and do this. Now, I like to follow, Alex Hormozi's formula. His formula for creating an offer is really, really good. And that's exactly what I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about today, because honestly, that formula is literally all you need in order to make your high ticket offer relevant and make it actually work. By the way, guys, if you guys are brand new to the channel, my name is Jonathan. I help coaches and consultants create, promote, and convert their high ticket offers. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit that follow button. Go ahead and subscribe and let me know exactly what's your biggest question when it comes to starting or scaling your coaching or consulting business. So step number 1 of actually creating your high ticket offer is understanding the result. Right? We need to understand the result that your ideal client wants. How can we increase the result? We want to go ahead and increase the result that they want. Like, for example, if they want to lose, 20 pounds, can we help them lose 30 pounds? Right? Is that even possible? Is that who we're speaking to? Are we speaking to the audience? Obviously, if you haven't gone through the foundational part of this training or just these videos, you need to go ahead and go back and go through the foundational part, because then you're gonna understand, okay, what result is it that you're gonna provide? You need to know this by now. Right? So you need to understand, it's like, okay, if I want to help people, build their online business, or if I want to go ahead and help people get more clients. Hey guys, by the way, if you guys have any questions, or you guys are struggling right now with getting more clients and scaling or growing your coaching or consulting business, go ahead and book a call down below if you guys have any questions, and let's get back to the video. The biggest result that I can actually provide for my ideal client, because at the end of the day, that's why people are hiring you. People are hiring you because they want a result. And I know we went over this last time, but it's very important to actually talk about it again. It's because people want the result that you're promising. If you don't deliver the result, then they're not going to be happy, right? Especially if you create an offer around your results. So you want to make sure that that's what they want. You want to go ahead and just give it to them. That is the easiest way to actually get clients. If you find out what they want and just give it to them, you should know what your ideal client wants now. So ask yourself, how can I increase the result that these people want? How can I increase it? Instead of telling them, hey, I can help you lose 10 pounds, can I help them lose 20 pounds and get a 6-pack abs? Can I actually do that? Ask yourself that question. And then figure out a way on how you can actually deliver upon that. Number 2 is time. How can I decrease the amount of time that it takes for my client to actually get this result? Because if I can go ahead and help them achieve a result in one day, just think about it for 1 second. If I tell you right now, hey, if you guys hire me in my coaching business, right? If you hire us, the next day you'll wake up with 10 new clients paying you $2,500 every single month. Would you actually pay us $10,000 for the offer? If we can guarantee that the next day, as soon as you pay us, the next day you're going to have 10 clients knocking on your door saying, hey, here's money. Of course you would. Any sane person would. And the reason why is because we're decreasing the amount of time that it takes for you to actually get the results. Obviously, that's literally impossible unless you're doing some crazy things. If you are, please let me know, because I would like to have 20 clients tomorrow right away, and I'll give you 10K easily if it's guaranteed, right? But how can you decrease the amount of time? So for example, how can you decrease the amount of time for your ideal client to get the result? Because keep in mind, right, your ideal client is right here and they want to go right here. How can you decrease like this journey? Maybe it takes 12 weeks, right? Maybe it takes 12 weeks, maybe it takes 3 years. But how can you decrease the amount of time that this takes, maybe to 12 months? Or how can you decrease it from 12 months to 12 weeks? How can you get them there faster? Because at the end of the day, if you can help them get there faster, that automatically is going to be more valuable. Think about it this way. There's a plastic surgeon and then there's a personal trainer. Ideally, they give you the same result, right? Plastic surgeons help you look good. Personal trainers help you lose weight and look good. So at this point, which one will get you there faster? The personal trainer, right? It's probably going to take 12 months for you to actually get there, be toned up. The plastic surgeon can get you there overnight pretty much. And then the recovery time, maybe 3 weeks. Let's say it takes you 3 weeks in order to get there. Which one actually charges more? The personal trainer or the plastic surgeon? The plastic surgeon charges more. Why? Why do they charge more? Because they get you there faster. They get you there faster. It's the same result that your ideal client wants, but the plastic surgeon will just help you get there faster and quicker. And that's why they're able to charge a lot more for the same result, because they're getting you there faster. Ask yourself, how can you help your client get to the end result a lot faster than anybody else? If you can do that, your clients are going to be on your offer a lot more. By the end of the day, it has to be realistic. But at the end of the day, they have to believe that they can actually achieve the result that you're saying that they're going to achieve. So that is number 3, achieve. How can your ideal clients believe that they can actually achieve this result? If they believe it, think about it. If they believe it, then they're actually going to go ahead and achieve the result. Automatically, your offer is going to go through the roof. The reason why, because they believe you. They believe that they can get this result. They believe that they can get that result in this time. If they believe those two things, guess what happens? They're going to be like, oh man, I can actually achieve the result. So they see it. They see themselves actually achieving that result. They feel it in their veins. They feel it in their day-to-day life. They can visualize them achieving that result and living the life that they want, whether it's losing weight, getting to, their income goals, getting more clients, whatever it is that you help your ideal clients do. If you can make them believe that they're actually going to achieve that result, which they should, right? If they go through your program, they should achieve that result. We obviously know that if they don't take the action necessary in order to achieve the result, it's not going to happen. But you need to help them believe and paint the picture that it's possible. If you can do that in your offer with your content, that automatically will show your offer will automatically go through the roof, because you're telling them, hey, this is the result that you want. It's going to take this time, and if you help them believe that they can actually achieve it, the likelihood of achievement, if you can increase the belief in it, automatically your offer is going to be more valuable, and people are actually going to take action right away. So ask yourself, how can I make my prospect believe that they can actually achieve this result? Because that's one of the biggest reasons why people don't sign up, because they don't believe that they can actually achieve the result that you're saying they can. Number 4 is efforts. How can you decrease the amount of efforts that it takes them to achieve the result in the time frame that you're saying that they can achieve the result? How can you decrease the amount of efforts that they have to take? For example, let's go back to the plastic surgeon and let's go back to the personal trainer. These two people, the plastic surgeon, what are the efforts that they have to take, the client have to take for them to achieve the result that they want? Maybe 3 weeks of recovery time, maybe 4 weeks at most of recovery time. And that's it. They don't have to cut out their diet. They don't have to go to the gym. They don't have to do any of that stuff. They just, boom, there's your result. The personal trainer, on the other hand, guess what happens? They have to go to the gym for 12 months. They have to cut out their favorite foods. They have to be in a calorie deficit. They have to do cardio. They have to be consistent. You see how many efforts and sacrifices they actually have to do in order to achieve their desired results? They have to do a lot. And that's one of the biggest reasons why plastic surgeons charge so much more than just personal trainers. Because plastic surgeons decrease the amount of effort that they need to take in order to achieve the result that they want. People are lazy. If you can decrease in your offer, in your coaching program, if you can decrease the amount of efforts that it takes your client to go ahead and achieve the result that they want, automatically your offer becomes more valuable, right? And if you match everything together, if you increase the result, and you paint a bigger picture of what they can actually achieve, you can decrease the time of what they want to achieve in less time, and you show them that it's possible, and you make them believe that it's actually possible, and they actually believe that it's possible for them to achieve those results, and you decrease the amount of efforts that they actually have to take. You are going to be in a very good spot to go ahead and charge high ticket for your offer. But these 4 things have to be in your offer. You have to figure out a way to paint a bigger picture, right? Increase the results that you're providing, decrease the amount of time that it takes for your ideal client to get that result, make them believe that it's actually possible, and lastly, decrease the amount of efforts and sacrifices that they have to take in order to achieve the result with your coaching program. So guys, I hope you guys found this helpful. If you guys did, go ahead and give this video a like. Go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what's your biggest question when it comes to starting or scaling your online high ticket business. And other than that, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.